Hello, today we're going to go over using the Microsoft Teams app with the SIGNL4 mobile app. You'll see here that I have a Microsoft Teams app loaded with the SIGNL4 Teams channel. To add the SIGNL4 bot to the Teams channel, you click on the apps button in the bottom left there. Just do a quick search for SIGNL4. Click on the icons and go to Open, Add to a Team. And then you just search for your SIGNL4 team that you're going to add the bot to, and click on Set up a bot. This will automatically add the bot to the team, as well as give you a brief description of some of your commands to use inside the bot. For our purposes here, we are going to go ahead and do a login. So I'm going to do an @SIGNL4 and type in login, and this will give me the login option. So if I click on this login button, I'll get a pop-up window that brings me to the SIGNL4 login page, where I can enter my SIGNL4 login information and then be logged into the SIGNL4 app through Teams. Notifications are not sent to this Teams channel by default, so I could turn those notifications on by doing a @SIGNL4 Alerts on. That turns all alerts on, so any new alert will come into this channel. So now, if I get a new alert, it'll show up in this Teams channel. So here we have a new alert coming through, and it shows up on this Teams channel. Now, I can go ahead and acknowledge, close, or annotate these alerts. So let's go ahead and log my user in for duty. So we're going to do an @SIGNL4 again. And this time we're going to do check in to check in for duty. So now my user's on duty, and if I go to my SIGNL4 app, you'll see I'm on duty, and I have this new alert that just came into the Teams app. And now let's go ahead and acknowledge alert. And if I go back to my Teams, you'll see that I now have an alert moved from unhandled to acknowledged. Let's do a quick annotation. We clicked on the annotation button and you get a message saying enter your annotation text, but don't forget to mention the SIGNL4 bot. If you don't mention the SIGNL4 bot, all the text that you enter will not be picked up by the SIGNL4 bot because it just assumes it's an actual message to and from the team. So we have the @SIGNL4, and then we're going to type in please restart services as an annotation, and you'll see the new annotation from the user. Please restart services. There's the actual annotation, and if I go into the app, we'll see the annotation in the system. Now let's go ahead and close the app from the service from the mobile app, and then we'll see the close in the Teams app. So I click on the button to close it. So my alert is now resolved. I go back to my Teams app, and we'll see that it was closed by user. So now let's create a whole new alert from the Teams app. So we're going to do @SIGNL4 and type in alert, and then you type in the alert message. And then we created a whole new alert, and you'll see that the message I typed after alert is the actual alert in the SIGNL4 app. So if I go back to my SIGNL4 app, and I have alert from Microsoft Teams, server app 01 is unreachable. So everything works both ways. Everything from the app goes to the Teams, and everything from the Teams goes to the app. See here, I put in an annotation from the app, and I go back and I see the annotation in Microsoft Teams. So now we're going to go ahead and acknowledge and close this open alert. When your shift is over, you can quickly go off duty from the Teams app as well. So we're just going to do another @SIGNL4, and we're going to do a check out, and that takes us off duty. And if I go back to my mobile app, we'll see that I go off duty. When you go off duty, you no longer receive alerts to your mobile app, but all alerts will always go to the Teams channel. This way, all users can see the alerts at all times.